This is Cool Trains in Montreal, and this is a CN or possibly a CP train coming through. No, this is a CP train, the Intermodal. Let's see if it stops. Looks like 2 GE units on the front. Yes, 44. Nope, an AC 4400 CWM. And it's coming right through. Yeah, and we have an intermodal train headed west underneath the Dorval ramps. So May 13th, 2020, still a bit under quarantine here in Quebec. And this is one of the first couple of trains that I've been able to film in about 2 months. This is definitely my first train in a long while here at this location on a fine afternoon, fine sunny afternoon. So in the foreground here, that's the CN tracks, and the background is CP. So I got my eye on the CN tracks too to see if something's coming. Nothing so far though. Nothing so far up the tracks. Kind of a windy day, so I hope the wind doesn't really ruin this video. Is that the end of the train over there? So it's a lot of empty cars on the end there. I don't know if they just need these empty cars back towards the west, or if they're just easier to load a train and not take off the cars that they don't need. I don't know if that's the case, but a lot of empty cars on the end. And the last car is coming up. Yeah, if you like what you saw, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.